How to fix Star Wars Battlefront 2 error code 623 on PS5/4 or Windows. Here are some tips that would help fix Star Wars Battlefront 2 error code 623 on PS5/4 or Windows. 1. Ensure that you have a fast, stable internet connection. If not, Google some troubleshooting tips re slow internet connection. Furthermore, enable the Go Offline into the Origin tab instead. 2. In the meanwhile, Google Battlefront 2 server status and see if you met yet another server-side issue. If yes, you have to wait.